Yeah, good Wednesday morning. Tracking our next winter storm, possibly heading across the Midwest over the next couple of days. Winter weather advisories extended now into parts of southeast Missouri in our region, but they extend all the way to the west, back into Kansas, Nebraska, and all the way down even into northwest Arkansas. So that's something we'll be tracking here over the next 24 to 48 hours. Now in that winter weather advisory, including Perry County in southeast Missouri, in addition to Bollinger, Madison, Wayne, Butler, Carter, and Ripley counties in southeast Missouri. So generally areas along and west of Highway 67. The daylight hours today are dry. Lots of clouds around. Temperatures this afternoon actually above freezing. We expect the precipitation to arrive very late this evening and even lingering into Thursday morning. We could see a mixture of possibly some freezing rain, snow, and then expecting for much of our region turning over to all rain. And then on Friday, still dealing with some of this pesky storm system. Rain possibly mixed in with some snow could lead to some minor accumulations. Live view from Mount Vernon this morning, looking back towards the south. All is quiet here to get the day going. We've had mostly clear skies through much of the overnight hours. A lot of high clouds now streaming in from the west. 19 in Mount Vernon, 23 in Carbondale. We've got 25 in Cape and 21 right now in Paducah. And factor in a light wind out of the south this morning. Wind chills at times have been pushing back into the mid-teens. So bundle up as you head out the door. Again, all is quiet. No rain, no snow locally right now. We are tracking some snow though out to our west, out across western Missouri. Notice some of these light snow showers lifting to the north and east. We're actually tracking a couple different storm systems here. One moving into the northern plains, another moving through the southern plains right now. We're actually going to be focused on the northern one the most, likely going to be the strongest over the next couple of days, but a lot of moving parts. So still a lot of questions and a lot of uncertainty leading to some of the winter weather heading our way. Here comes that stronger storm system strengthening over the next couple of days. Precipitation starts to arrive late this evening, beginning in southeast Missouri and then closer to midnight crossing the Mississippi River into parts of southern Illinois. And notice the pink color here starting to show up. Initially, we could actually see this start off as a light freezing rain, temperature hovering about 31 degrees or so. But as temperatures continue to climb into Thursday, most everyone in the region should switch over to rain. The one exception we'll be keeping an eye on here is some of our far north and western counties. And as we head into the evening hours on Thursday night, notice some colder air getting wrapped. You can almost see the spin there in the atmosphere. And we will be keeping an eye on the possibility we could actually see this switch back over to snow throughout the day on Friday. But don't get too excited. Still not expecting big accumulations for anywhere in our region. So freezing rain, snow possible late tonight, early Thursday morning. We could actually see just a couple minor traffic issues in some of our far north and western counties. I would include Perry, northwest Jackson County, possibly northwest sections of Jefferson County, and then areas along and west of Highway 67 in southeast Missouri. Snowfall totals an inch or less north of Route 13 is a possibility through Friday. As far as the ice goes, possibly a thin glaze of ice. Really not concerned at this point with major travel issues from the ice, but any of the untreated surfaces, bridges, overpasses, that is something we will be keeping an eye on here as temperatures again are going to be hovering very, very close to the freezing mark. Rainfall amounts about 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch, so still not a big rainmaker for us either. Now winds will start to pick up today out of the south, cloudy skies through this afternoon, mid to upper 30s for high temperatures. Then this evening, here comes the mix starting to make its way in southeast Missouri primarily by about 9 and midnight, and then after midnight crossing parts of the Mississippi River into southwest Illinois. So mixture turning over to rain on Thursday. Friday, rain possibly turning back over to a little bit of snow by Saturday. It's all quieting down. The weekend actually shaping up to be pretty nice. Cloudy skies in here on Saturday and Sunday, but temperatures rebounding into the middle 40s, and early next week, temperatures jumping back into the lower 50s. Again, very tricky forecast Thursday and Friday. Boy, these systems this winter we have been right on the edge of them. That means that the freezing line, just even a half a degree, can mean a difference on whether you're seeing ice or snow or rain. So again, we'll be kind of fine-tuning the forecast as we get a little bit closer. I won't be surprised if we still see some changes in the forecast, but at this point, still not expecting a major winter storm.
Monday looks good.
Monday looks very nice.
I want to know where the box is to check none of the above.
None of the above? Yeah, let's go ahead and head to Tuesday. That's for sure.